This large island opens up the space. Not only is it great because of course it provides that extra seating, but when you're working at the island, you can see all of your guests. With 10-foot wall heights and cathedral ceilings, there's such great volume to this space, which is ultimately defined by the mortise and tenon timber trusses above us. This truss defines the kitchen space. And then we're defining the dining space, and the remainder is defining the gathering space. This is just a wonderful overflow, bringing everyone together. We can overlook the lake on this side, and on the entry side of the home, there are windows in that upper gable, allowing us to see the beautiful skies and the trees towering above. Let's get oriented with this space. We've got the front entry coming off the covered porch, a great mudroom drop zone area over there. As you walk into this area, you are overwhelmed by the incredible timber trusses, but you're naturally invited into the kitchen. We have this oversized island, which is accenting the perimeter cabinets with its painted finish. These are inset cabinets. Now we see that oftentimes throughout the rest of this home. Inset are a very custom and designer aesthetic. So take a look at this. These are extra special. Rather than two separate cabinets, these were built together for one large cabinet with different doors and drawers within the space. This is a chef's kitchen with a 48-inch range, a custom metal hood. This is impressive. Now, there is also a lot to consider beyond what you see at first glance. Take a look at this pullout. So when you're working at the range, it's convenient to have knives, ladles, and all of these spices below easily at hand. Also with great symmetry on this side, we have a tray divider. It keeps getting better. We've all got those KitchenAid mixers that we're bringing from the pantry into the kitchen. They're heavy, they're a bit clunky, tough to store. Take a look at this. This stand pulls it up for easy access. Of course, if you're using it quickly, you can just leave it there. It's also easy to put on the countertop. It just easily stores away. And what a great place for storing that. Come around the island. This is extra deep. Take a look at this drawer stack. This is cool for a couple of reasons. First of all, we've got 5-piece drawer fronts, and then the top is a slab. It's a great designer accent in this kitchen. Speaking of accents, have you noticed those pulls? A fork, a spoon, a knife. Well, where's the knife drawer? It's right here. That's pretty brilliant. Now, just over here is the coffee prep area. We've got the pull-out microwave, prep sink, of course, coffee maker available to us, and take a look at the wall cabinets. It is just so great when you have the opportunity to light up a space like this and display items that are important to you and the family. The back of this island features storage, and while we're looking at the kitchen from this view, take a look at that symmetry, all right? So we've got the refrigerator on the left and a pantry on the right. It allows for that range to be perfectly centered within the space. I just love the aesthetic of cabinet appliance panels. So these cabinet panels have been applied. We've got a freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right. We've also elongated the space, elevated it up with an extra decorative area matching the height of the pantry just over here. With such great volume in this space, it makes sense to make the cabinets extra tall. Each window has a sconce above it. That is just a great accent. Of course, we've got lighting in the toe kick above the cabinets. There is lighting throughout this house. Incredible pendants above this large island. This, by the way, is a granite island. Black walnut on that impressive dining room table. You'll see other live edge wood accents throughout this home. It just goes on and on. Really nice touches that carry throughout this space. This is an awesome pantry. Take a look at these big drawers. Who doesn't love the flexibility of extra big pot and pan drawers? Now, just beyond this space, something we haven't featured before, it's an automatic door that opens. So imagine you're coming from the kitchen, whether you're bringing in groceries, you can just open it with your elbow. That's pretty cool. Let's work our way just over here. This is another way to get into the pantry. A barn door just beyond this space. And now, a mega refrigerator setup. So we've got a freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right. Each of these are 3 feet wide. That's awesome. With all this countertop space, you can easily set items down and then store them away with closed cabinetry above and an open shelving, which is ultra convenient when you've got your big appliances like this. We work our way back out to the kitchen. You may have noticed that's an extra tall door. There are 8-foot doors in this home in all the large common spaces. We see that in the double barn doors over here and the front door as well.